Hi everybody, welcome to Northside Lexus and Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Melissa O'Connell. I'm a Lexus technology specialist, and I want to give you a couple of tips today about how to listen to the sound from smartphone navigation apps through your Lexus vehicle. So keep in mind, this is not going to get you an image on your screen, whether you have navigation or you don't have a navigation vehicle. This is just going to play sound through the system. Now, I know a lot of you may already be doing this, and you may be doing it through Bluetooth audio, which is awesome. But if you don't use Bluetooth audio for music and you listen to AM, FM, or satellite, you have to turn off the radio in order to stream directions through Bluetooth. And with this new setting option, that's no longer the case. So you can listen to AM, FM, or satellite, and now you can play your navigation app sound as a Bluetooth phone call. And it is something that you have to set up in each individual app. Today we're going to look at Waze, Google Maps, and Apple Maps. So let's check it out. This is the phone that's paired to the vehicle right now. And we have 3 different apps on board. Let's start out with Waze. With Waze, all you have to do is open the app, touch the magnifying glass icon to open your search feature, but we want to go to Settings at the top left, scroll down to Sound and Voice, scroll to the bottom for Advanced Sound Output, and we want to enable Play as Bluetooth Phone Call. So we're going to select that. I'm going to close it up, and let me just turn the music up so you know we've got our satellite radio playing. And let's just pick somewhere to go. So we can go to this local gas station. It's going to pull up our directions.
Let's take North Freeway, Houston.
And then you're able to let it play as a Bluetooth phone call and then hop right back to satellite radio. If you have a mount in your vehicle for your phone that you feel comfortable using, please do. Otherwise, just put your phone away and just listen to the instructions. So now let's check out the other apps on the vehicle. So Google Maps, on the phone rather, not the vehicle. We're just going to get it to play through our sound system. So with Google, we need to launch a destination. So it can be anywhere. We'll just pick whatever pops up first. Once we launch that destination and we click Start, you're going to hear it come through.
Head south toward Stage Run Drive.
And that's because this little menu bar right here, I have already opened that up, clicked on Settings, and I have turned on Play as Bluetooth Phone Call. So you notice they have a lot in common, right? It's just slightly different approaches to getting there. And then last but not least, we want to do Apple Maps. Now, like the Google Map, we do have to load a location or a destination. So let's just pick Mod Pizza, it's close by. Click on Go. And then we're going to open our menu, come to Audio, and down at the bottom, we want to allow hands-free prompts, this HFP. We want to turn that on. Click Done, and now I'm going to end the route, and then I'll restart it so that you can hear it come through the system, even listening to the radio.
Starting route to Mod Pizza, proceed to North Freeway, then turn right.
There you go. So, simple as that. If you have any other questions about the technology on your Lexus, please let us know. 281-569-3300. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Tip Tuesday.